The Consortium of National Law Universities has released the admit card of CLAT 2022 June 6, 2022. Candidates can now download their admit card from the official website of CLAT 2022, which is consortiumofnlus.ac.in. To download the admit card, one has to follow the steps mentioned here. Visit the official website of CLAT 2022, consortiumofnlus.ac.in. Click on CLAT 2022, log in using your mobile number and password. Click on Download Admit Card link as shown here. The admit card will be displayed on the screen. Download and take a few printouts of it for the examination. Immediately after downloading the admit card, candidates should verify all the particulars mentioned in it, such as name, photograph, signature, registration number, and examination center. In case of any discrepancy, they should contact the CLAT exam officials using the official help desk. The admit card for CLAT 2022 is a mandatory document for appearing in the examination. Along with it, a government-issued photo identity card will be required at the examination center. Items such as calculators, digital watches, mobile phones, or study material are strictly prohibited. CLAT 2022 will be conducted on June 19 in offline mode. Candidates are advised to report to their examination venue at least 45 minutes before the commencement of the test. It will be a 2-hour-long test in which 150 questions will be asked on English language, current affairs, including general knowledge, legal reasoning, logical reasoning, and quantitative aptitude. For more information on CLAT 2022, preparation tips, sample papers, check the links given below in the description box.